Hi guys, I'm Matt and welcome back to Rybrook BMW in Shrewsbury, and a car which I've been trying to get hold of for a very long time. Today I've got the keys to this Yas Marina BMW M3 Competition Package. This is the last of the F80 generation. So let's have a quick look around different aspects of the car and then we'll jump in and we'll take it for a drive. So let's begin with the front. So first things first, we'll start with the front end of this car. Now, this being the Competition Package M3, it has the black kidney grills on the front. This one also has the adaptive LEDs with icon lights, and as you can see, this one has the front carbon fibre splitter and side blades. So now let's move round to the side. So around the side of this car, you can tell that it's an M3 from the very wide back end and front end. Now that, in my opinion, actually makes this look a lot better than the M4, this car's sister. Now, other things across the side, you have the M signature side mirrors and the large Competition Package alloy wheels. These ones finished with the black inlays. Now let's go around to the back, because this car's hiding a very exciting secret around the back. Let's go. So around the back end of this car is where I think this particular car really stands out. It has the M Performance carbon fibre ducktail spoiler, but down here is possibly the best addition to this car, the M Performance exhaust system with carbon fibre tips. Now these exhausts are actually rifled, and they, as you'll now hear, make such a difference to the sound that this car makes. Now, another great thing about the M3 is that it's based on the 3 Series, which means that actually you get an awful lot of room in the boot. Now, in the rear of here, there's more than enough space for any of your needs. You can fit a rather large golf bag in the back of there, and as I say, that is what really astounds about the M3. You get all of the savage performance and all of the practicality of a 4-door family saloon car. Now let's move around to the interior and I'll show you some of the highlights in there. Of the M3 is a wonderful place to be. If you've had BMWs in the past, it's all very familiar territory. Being an M3, it has got a few different touches. So for example, the steering wheel is finished in the Bavarian flag stitching. You have on the steering wheel the M1 and the M2 preset buttons. Behind the steering wheel, the paddles are a different shape to indicate the DCT box. In the middle as well, in this particular car, you have the beautiful carbon fibre finished dash. You also get, as standard in these, the heated seats, cruise control, air conditioning and professional media navigation system, as you'd expect. And with the Competition Package M3, you get these beautiful racing seats with cutouts and the illuminated M3 badge. Now, even though there's so much quality and sportiness in here, in the back there's still more than enough room to fit at least 3 adults, which is phenomenal, given that this car will actually go from 0 to 60 in just 4 seconds flat, and the engine up front is a monster. Let's go and before we go for a drive, I'm just going to show you that, because it is a work of art. Now what lies beneath here is a true masterpiece. It's BMW's 3 litre 6-cylinder twin turbo high powered petrol engine, which, as I've mentioned, produces 450 brake horsepower, meaning that this car, because it's made from carbon fibre over the roof and different components, can propel itself from 0 to 60 in 4 seconds and then go on to a top speed limited to 155 miles an hour. It's a piece of art, this, with the carbon fibre strut over the engine bay to keep this engine bay rigid under high acceleration. Now that's the headline performance figures. Let's jump back into this car and take it for a blast.
So there it is, the last in this generation of BMW M3. I, for one, are very excited for the next generation. My thoughts on this car? Now, I think it's fabulous. It puts a smile on my face, bigger than most cars I've ever driven. The power, the noise, especially with this one with the M Performance exhaust, really does just capture that inner 5-year-old in me. I think it's wonderful. Thank you very, very much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page for more videos to come. Cheers, guys.